I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said
what's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. Today we're gonna talk about those things that women desperately want you to do, but for whatever reason, they just won't tell you.
It feels right, yeah. I can only say that it feels right.
Number one, she wants you to make the move. Bro, it sucks, but no matter how badly a girl wants to kiss you or to have sex with you, she will never be the one to make that first move. And this is why you need to learn to read girls' body language, because that's what's gonna tell you when she's ready. So first of all, let's take a look at what a girl might do if she does not want to kiss you. She's not gonna make a lot of physical contact with your body, and when you lean in, she's probably gonna lean out to keep her distance from you. However, if a girl does want you to kiss her and make the move, she might do something like this. Basically, she's gonna be flirting with her body. Her leg might be touching your leg. She might be reaching over and touching you a lot, or playfully touching her hair and making really strong eye contact with you. If she's doing even a couple of these things, bro, she's ready. She wants you to kiss her. Go kiss her.
I can't focus. I can't forget. I've been
Julia. Bust down, Tatiana, bust down, Tatiana, bust down. Number two, refine yourself. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure you've never heard a girl say this.
Ugh, I wish I could just find a man that would spend hours grooming himself and keeping up with the latest fashion trends. Where can I find a man like that?
But here's the funny thing, that is exactly what they want. Right now, I challenge you to take out your phone and look up the hottest girls you know on Instagram. Now tell me, what do their boyfriends look like? Because I would bet my entire bank account that their boyfriends have trendy haircuts. They spend a lot of time grooming themselves, and they wear the latest fashion trends. Like, the fact of the matter is, hot girls are attracted to guys like this. They don't want to be dating guys who wear baggy clothes, that don't groom their hair, and who have just like basic ass haircuts. Speaking of refining yourself, smelling good should be at the top of your list. Personally, I like to use this cologne called Refined by Manscaped because it has a subtle masculine scent that women find attractive, plus they use a special formulation to make sure it lasts all day long. And to top things off, it comes in this sleek glass bottle with a friction fit cap that'll make sure it never spills when it goes in your gym bag or your suitcase. Now the good news is, because Manscaped is sponsoring today's video, you can use my coupon code to get 20% off plus free shipping. Bro, this is a full-size cologne bottle that is gonna last you months, and today you can get it at an amazing price.
I just need to clear my head.
Cheers. I challenge you to a pre-workout dance-off.
I challenge you to a pre-workout. Whoever can drink it fastest wins.
How about you chug your pre-workout and I do some dance moves? Number three, you gotta create uncertainty. Dance moves are a lot more fun when there's music playing, but let's get back on topic. I cannot tell you how many times I've heard girls say this.
So you know that guy I went on a date with last night? He won't stop texting me. It's so annoying.
When you make yourself too available and you always reply quickly to every text message she sends you, she's gonna lose interest. She's gonna know that she's already won you over, and that's not exciting. Basically, this makes you just another guy that she can talk about with her friends, so she feels good about herself. Instead, you want to make her say this.
So Steve has not texted me back in the last 3 days. Like, I just want to see him again. I don't know if he doesn't like me. I don't know what's going on.
Human beings naturally crave uncertainty. It's why we like watching exciting movies. We don't know the ending. It's why we like watching sports games. You know, we don't know who's gonna win. And the same thing goes for girls. If she doesn't know what to expect from you and she doesn't always know when she's gonna hear from you next, it's gonna make you exciting and attractive. So here's what I recommend you do. You wanna be the one who stops texting her, not the other way around. So after you guys have sent a few messages back and forth to each other, if she does not ask you a direct question, use that as an opportunity to not reply to her. Give it a few days, then get back to her. And trust me, bro, this is gonna drive her crazy.
I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on my way, but it's not like I need it.
For the post-workout gains, we have poke. As you can see, we got seaweed salad, salmon, edamame, jalapenos. Number 4, bust down. Number 4 is attention to detail. One thing that most girls will tell you is that they want you to make them feel special. However, most guys take this the wrong way and they do this. If I told you how beautiful you look tonight,
Oh, thank you.
I can't get you out of my mind recently. I like you so much.
Thanks.
Showering a girl with compliments or telling her how much you like her is just gonna make you look desperate and needy. Instead, there's a more intelligent way to make her feel special. By the way, how'd that interview go last week with the law firm? I know you were stressing.
Oh, yeah, thanks so much. I ended up getting the job.
I knew you were gonna crush it.
Thanks.
All you need to do is to listen when people are talking to you, not just girls, anybody really. Because if you actually hear what they say and then later on you bring it back up and you follow up on it, they're gonna know that you actually give a shit about them, and that's gonna make them feel important, and it's gonna make them like you more.
And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us.
And that, my friends, is how you back in a car. You can probably tell I used to be a valet. Number 5, you gotta put these girls in their place. Between social media and texting, we live in a world where it's very easy for girls to get a lot of validation all of the time. And this can give them sort of like a diva mindset where they think the world revolves around them, and they're used to just getting their way with guys and having guys wrapped around their fingers and doing whatever they want them to. So it's very important that you set yourself apart from other guys by challenging this notion and letting them know that, you know, they're not the center of the world and you're not afraid to put her in her place. So every once in a while, girls are gonna give you a shit test, which basically means she's gonna challenge you just to see how you react. For example, let's say you have a date scheduled for 8 p.m. on one side of town and she texts you at 6 p.m. and says, actually, I'm hanging out with my friends on the other side of town. She's kind of expecting you to be like, don't worry about it, I'll meet you over there and hang out with your friends. Don't do this, bro. Instead, say, I hope you're having fun, I'll see you at 8 p.m. Let her know you're not gonna change your plans. Or you could take it the other route and say, okay, have fun, we can hang out later this week, no big deal. Either way, you are maintaining the power position here, and it might drive her crazy. You might not see her that night, but in the long term, she is going to respect you more for this and be more attracted to you for this. And that's the end of this video, bro. If you made it to the end, be sure to drop a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed yet, click that subscribe button. and turn notifications on because I release videos just like this every Monday and every Thursday, and you don't want to miss them. I'll talk to you in the next video. Stay beastly.
Yeah.